So for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 4 plus 1. So I'll chain 29, I'll skip the next 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and through the 7th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next chain and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and through the 2nd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 1. This completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 1. Through his first double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 2. Row 2, right here through his last loop I'll make 2 single crochet. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around. Then I insert my hook right here through his first single crochet chain, I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll pull on this loop just like this. I'll wrap the yarn on the hook. I insert my hook right there through that same chain, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Wrap the yarn on the hook, I insert my hook through that same chain, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Wrap the yarn on the hook, I insert my hook through the same chain, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through all of these loops. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Pull on this loop just like this, wrap the yarn on the hook, I insert my hook through the same chain, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through, wrap the yarn on the hook, I insert my hook through the same chain, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Wrap the yarn on the hook, I insert my hook through the same chain, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Now I'll wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through all of these loops. I'll chain 1, then I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 3.